is our latest gaming desktop. It's called ROG Huracan.
Okay.
Huracan is Spanish, but for the English, you can call it Hurricanes.
Hurricane.
Hurricanes.
Okay, yeah.
We put the entire covers on that.
Oh, so you can actually open and close it.
Yeah. So when you
Looks magnetic.
exactly, it's magnetic.
Oh.
It's very small covers. When you open it, it will show some special lighting effect, and it also do the performance boost.
Because of the heating?
Exactly.
Like, yeah.
It will
dissipation.
it will immediately to up the performance to the top.
Wow.
So,
by simply, raising your flap.
exactly. It's like very cool. It's like a
And
one,
it looks cooler.
and it's like very small chassis. Because right now when we're doing the gaming desktop, we always think about how to fit the huge 1080s graphic card inside such tiny
Small,
chassis.
yeah, small form
Yeah,
factor.
so you can immediately open it and you can change all the components. No matter graphic card, hard drive.
Oh,
Yeah, you
so
can see here.
It's easily upgradable then.
Exactly.
Yeah. A lot of the time, people who buy pre-builts worry that it's just difficult for you to do those upgrades
Exactly.
later if you want.
Yeah.
And they go, yeah, you need to build your own. But I guess that's not always the case, right? Like if you guys make it easy to upgrade, then it just
Yeah.
yeah.
So it's like
great.
very simple. We keep improving.